Still thinking on what to prepare for breakfast? Well, I got you. Get ready to excite your taste buds with these soft and yummy pancakes that will surely leave you wanting for more. Now, let's get started. In a container, crack an egg. Pour 150 ml of evaporated milk. I'm using the Carnation Light and Creamy Evap for this one. Next, pour half cup water, then 1/4 teaspoon yellow food coloring that is dissolved in a teaspoon of water. This is optional, by the way. I just love to add color to my pancakes, that's it. Now, add 2 tablespoons of margarine that is melted. Add 1/4 cup of white sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and last but not the least, 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Oops. Time to mix all of the ingredients. It would be a lot easier if you have an electric mixer to ensure that the ingredients are well blended, well incorporated. Unfortunately, don't have one yet, so let's do it manually. Oh, I almost forget. Add a half teaspoon of vanilla syrup. This enhances the flavor of your pancakes. However, if you don't have this, then just skip this part. So this is how it looks like. The consistency is not perfect, but that's okay. In a pan, add some butter or margarine, whichever you prefer. Just spread it like this. Or if you have a cooking brush, then that would be a lot easier to spread the margarine evenly to the pan. Then pour your pancake mixture. Allow the pancake to cook. Usually it will take about 2 minutes before you can flip it. Once you can see some bubbles starting to form, that is your hint that you can now flip it over. Easy, right? It's just like you're flipping an egg. It doesn't need to be perfect. That's okay. With this mixture, you can make a total of 7 to 10 pancakes. Now comes the fun part. Your kids or even adults will surely enjoy. You can add butter on top or spread it to your pancakes. Some would love to sprinkle their pancakes with sugar too. Since I have some frozen berries, I'll make use of it to give some life and color to my pancakes. There you have it, homemade pancakes made from scratch. It's your turn to make one. Give it a try. Thank you for watching this video and see you again next time. Buyers!